Si bahay nga kasi, hindi lang siya basta kitchen. We also do wardrobes, bathroom, and other pa. Like laundries.
Oh, ang ganda.
For this one naman, this one is yung wardrobe unit namin, sir.
So dito na i-display yung aking mga Birkin ba dyan? Ay, Barkin. Oh! Diba?
Would you believe, sir, na this one is still stainless, 304.
Really?
Yeah, this one is still stainless steel. And this one naman is naka-hot press na wood.
So it's very durable. Hindi ka
Yeah.
natatakot na. Kasi ang dami kasi mga furniture na ganito. Ganito naman yung itsura. Pero actually, they're compacted wood. So, akala mo matibay. Pero kung mabasa siya ng konti, it warps. But this one, because it's stainless steel, hindi naman siya kakalawangin.
We also have for drawers naman, yung mga hanging rod na napupull out din, sir.
Wow!
So usually kasi yung mga height differences kagaya like me,
Oo nga.
very short, so meron magandang access to.
First time ko nakikita ng ganyan budget. So ito, for mga fashionista, the people who love to collect stuff,
This one naman, yung door panel
Beautiful.
namin, leather. Hindi
Leather?
Siya faux leather, hindi siya yung actual leather.
Oh?
This one is silicone leather.
oh,
Yeah, so hindi siya ganun ka hindi siya prone to damages. And as you can see, stainless pa rin siya.
ang galing. Pag ganito yung wardrobe mo, feeling mo nasa boutique ka, no? It feels very like luxury,
Very elegant.
very elegant.
Sa laundry unit namin, sir, pansin nyo, iba yung finish ng stainless.
Ito, it's very like parang stone, very earth, no?
Actually, doon, sir, marami pang finishes si Binen.
Ah.
May wood, may sintered stone din kami. And even yung mga classical look na door, meron din kami available.
At pagpasok mo dito,
Pasok na iba yung
it's very cozy. Akala mo talaga nasa bahay ka, someone's home almost. Ganda. Parang na-transform yung space, no? Look, oh. Galing, oh. Built-in na lahat, no?
Yes, sir. Built-in na lahat.
Pero this is a popular brand in China, eh.
China, yeah. Even though na stainless siya, like, usually kasi pag stainless industrial,
Yeah.
minimalist, kaya din nila rounded corners, kagaya nung sa Island and this one.
Pero ang ganda ng finish. Kung magpapapintura ka ng ganyan, hindi mo ma-achieve yung ganyang klaseng kinis, eh.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.